How to apply coupons on AliExpress. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily apply for discount coupons on AliExpress. So if you guys have a coupon code or promotional code for AliExpress, you can use it while you check out of your items. So go ahead and open up AliExpress and make sure that you're logged in. Now just find the product that you want to purchase along with the discount code. So I'll just go ahead and scroll down here. This bamboo folding fan looks nice, so let me just tap on it. And then what I'm going to do is add to cart. Well, instead, I'll just tap on buy now because I have other items in my cart as well that I don't want. So let me just go ahead and select a color. This one seems nice, so let me just select this and then tap on continue. And when you get to the checkout page, you'll have to enter your shipping address first. Then you'll see your shipping method. It could be FedEx, DHS, or a UPS. So once you've done that, just add your payment method. And right before you check out, you'll have an option to enter promo codes. Tap on enter. Now you can apply your promo codes. So these are a combination of case-sensitive letters and numbers without spaces. And you have to be aware that promo codes have limitations and expiration dates. So you might find them no longer valid by the time you apply due to these restrictions. So make sure to enter a valid promo code. Now, once you've entered the code, tap on the apply button and the code will be applied here. You'll get a certain amount of discounts depending on the code that you've just entered. And you can just easily check out of your page along with the promotional code or the discount code. That's how you basically apply for coupons on AliExpress. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about more tutorials like this. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.